There are currently over 400,000 kids in the foster care system in the United States.
Kids don't do well in foster care. Kids just don't even understand it. They don't understand, why can't I live with my mom? It just doesn't make sense.
This is Dave Anderson, a Chicago-based psychologist who, along with his wife Karen, is rethinking our country's foster care system. Their movement, Safe Families for Children, is based on a simple idea: create a community of support for parents in crisis. While Dave is the first to say that there are situations that require kids be removed from the care of their parents, he believes the vast majority of individuals caught up in the foster care system are really good people who love their kids, but they happen to be alone and facing crisis.
If you dig a little deeper, why were things not going well? They didn't have the family, the friends, the neighbors who could step in to provide the extra support.
Safe Families exists to provide a supportive community and resources to struggling parents before it becomes necessary for the state to come in and remove their children. They do this through offering parents in crisis host families who can house and care for their children while they get back on their feet. They also provide parenting classes, mentorship, and financial support.
We believe that parent is capable, if given enough support, to be the parent that their children need them to be. It's really all about relationships. If they're in their situation because of social isolation, they need relationships that continue after kids are returned home.
Under Dave and Karen's leadership, Safe Families has grown to an organization that is active in 40 states, and most significantly sees parents reunified with their kids 95% of the time. For context, that's nearly double the reunification rate of the foster care system. So with a model this successful, Dave wanted to take this to every state, but he needed help. Enter Stand Together. Stand Together is a philanthropic community that partners with nonprofit leaders and helps take their efforts to the next level. And they're helping Safe Families grow. This is Terrence Mathis, and he works with Stand Together Foundation.
Hey Dave, how you doing, my friend?
Good, Terrence, how are you?
We believe that Safe Families has a model that is so bold and so dynamic that as a partner, we can significantly reduce the number of children that's going into this traditional foster care system.
Stand Together Foundation is providing Safe Families with both financial and operational support. And because of this, Safe Families is aggressively expanding into New York City, Los Angeles, and most significantly, they're going statewide in Florida. This means that tens of thousands of families across the state of Florida will have access to the community and support they offer. But this is only the beginning. With Stand Together's help, Dave has set another ambitious goal for the movement. His dream is to get to 1 million volunteers in the next 3 years. Dave thinks this could truly transform the foster care system.
We could take out all the kids that don't really need it, so the system can only care for those that really need it. Just incredible to think about the opportunities that we have.
But it's not just the financial and operational support that means so much to Dave.
Being a social entrepreneur is really a lonely place to be. Terrence has really become a friend of mine, and that was an incredible surprise to me.
It is a person-to-person relationship. It is simple as calling Dave and say, hey Dave, I'm just calling to check on you. I just want to see how you're doing.
He really believes in me, and he gives me the hope that I need to continue to do what I'm doing. Since we partnered with Stand Together, we've grown tremendously.
Safe Families has committed themselves to keeping families together. This is a model that has the ability to change the face of foster care in this country.
In the last 15 years, Dave, Karen, and their team have helped tens of thousands of kids, and they're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Visit standtogether.org to learn more about the innovators tackling our country's biggest challenges.